Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. First, carefully unpack all components and remove any packaging. Ensure the unit is placed on a clean, dry, and level surface, away from walls. Then, plug the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. This ensures safe operation and prepares your appliance for its first use. Always check that the crisper basket is properly inserted before turning it on. Your Ninja Air Fryer Max XL offers 6 versatile cooking functions: Max Crisp, Air Fry, Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. Simply select your desired function using the intuitive control panel. Then, adjust the temperature and time settings to match your recipe. For example, air frying typically uses temperatures between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the Start/Pause button to begin your culinary adventure. When loading food, always place it directly into the crisper basket, ensuring you do not overcrowd it. Overfilling can prevent even cooking and crisping. For best results, especially with smaller items like fries or wings, shake the basket halfway through the cooking cycle. This ensures all sides are exposed to the hot air. Always use non-metal utensils to safely remove your delicious, perfectly cooked food. Proper cleaning extends the life of your Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. Always unplug the unit and allow it to cool completely before cleaning. The crisper basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, or you can wash them by hand with warm, soapy water. For the main unit, simply wipe it down with a damp cloth. Never submerge the main unit in water to avoid damage. Regular cleaning keeps your appliance ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.